Guaranteed income is a major piece of many retirees' futures. Gone are the days of pensions and corporate safety nets. This tab is designed to illustrate a guaranteed income rider for a client before you break out a 25-page illustration. It also allows you to compare and contrast different annuity offerings. It's important to input correctly whether the interest is simple or compounding. I'll use an example of $100,000 with a 5% bonus at a 4% accumulation rate. I put the cost of the rider at 0.7% and will not illustrate a monthly contribution amount. Note that when entering a percentage less than 1, you should enter 0 and then point and then the number. For the income rider roll-up, I'll put 7% and will toggle the orange cell to compounding. Notice that it toggles between simple and compounding. In the retirement income section, I'll input 5% and the percentage of income factor at retirement cell and age 65. The monthly income is $2,420 with total income value at retirement of $580,735. The income is guaranteed for life, but under the same conditions without the guarantees, the income would last 16 years, as seen in the lower right cell. The income analysis section then illustrates a year-by-year accounting and shows the cost of the rider in order to have the illustrated guarantees. And most importantly, it gives your client the understanding and peace of mind that just because your annuity might run out, your income won't. That's a big deal.